From home, that involves you using a chair, a nice sturdy chair, make sure that it's nice and firm, and a book, okay? So, the first part of this exercise, you're going to do each exercise for about a minute. As many repetitions as you can. If you need to take a rest, please do so, but then come back and continue it until your minute is up. So you need to set a timer. I'm going to show you level 1, base options, and then level 2 for those who want an advanced option. So you're going to come down into a nice deep squat. Okay, knees out over your toes. Brace through the belly, shoulders back and down. Take your hook up overhead, and you're going to rotate it around in a halo, one way and then the other way. And keep going into that halo squat until you are finished for that 1 minute. Okay, next one, you're going to come closer to the chair. Make sure it's close enough for you because you are going to sit back into it. So from here, we're going to take it into a squat press for level 1 or a pistol squat for level 2, and I'll show you those right now. So down into a squat and a press, squat and a press. Okay, now level 2, a pistol squat. We're going to stand close to, just making sure that that chair is close behind you, holding on to your book on one leg, coming down low and slow to the bed, to the seat, and then lift up and press. And you're going to do the same on the other side for about a minute each. Okay, that's level 2. Exercise number 3 is the aeroplane into a reverse lunge. So what this means is you're going to set up into a deadlift position, put your body weight onto one side, roll your shoulders back and keep your back nice and flat. Rather than dropping your chest down, you're going to bring the hands forward. So we're going to do that together. Into an aeroplane, and we stop, and we lunge, and swap. Swap into the aeroplane, stop, lunge, and swap. Now level 2, we're going to add a little bit of a jump in there. For those who are ready for it, it goes like this. Into the aeroplane, lunge, swap, into the aeroplane, lunge, switch, jump. Okay, so take it up only to the next level if you are ready for that jump. We're going to take the next one into a single-legged lunge, where you just need your book and your body for the level 1. Okay, so weight can stay, book I should say, can stay on one side, holding it into one hand, and I like to say same hand and same leg. And you're going to take a nice long stance so your front and back knee can bend to 90 degrees. You come down through the center and lift up. Now when you come up, I want you to just give it a little kick out the back, just to activate those glutes. Then you'll do the same to the other side, stepping out nice and long, single lunge, and a little kick back. Shoulders back, little lunge, and a little kick back. Now to take that into level 2, we're going to use the chair, where you place one foot on top of the chair, book in your hand, and we're going to do a split Bulgarian squat lunge. Split Bulgarian squat or lunge. Come down and rise. 1 minute on one side, and then swap to the other side. Find your chair, balance, come down and push up through the center. So drive through that front foot. Okay, the next 2 we're going to do on the floor. So level 1, we're going to take it for a sit-up and a rotation. Now those who want base level, you don't need to do the sit-up. You can just hold in this position and rotate side to side. Those who want a little bit more, I'm just going to push myself closer to the screen. You're going to come up into a crunch and then rotate side, and again. Up into a crunch, rotate side, rotate side. Now if you want a higher version, bring your knees to 90 degrees or a little bit off the floor, and then when you come up, your feet stay up and you rotate side to side. Okay, that is level 2. our last final exercise. We're going to take it for what's called a book transfer to the toes. Now let me just say, this can be a little bit on the advanced side for some of us. So I'm going to show you what you could potentially do for a lower impact option, okay? You can actually take your book away and not worry about the transfer. From there, you're just going to drop your feet until you get that strength through the core. For those who aren't ready for a little bit more, pick up your book. You're going to come back down into a crunch and your feet are going to be at a tabletop position. So knees at 90 degrees. We're going to transfer the book to our feet. Extend out, come up, crunch, and then tap and swap. Extend out, crunch in, tap and swap. Each of those exercises, level 1 or level 2, you're going to do from 1 minute for 1 round. The 6-minute workout, repeat that circuit as many times as you need to.